How to trade cards in Monopoly Go. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we need to head over to our Monopoly Go right here. And once we done that, we will see here the options to wins, build, the go button, the album and friends. So what we need to click on is this album right here. So click on album right there and you will see here all the albums of sticker that you have. So if you have a spare sticker, like for example you have double of this sticker, then you can see a +1 button right here. That also applies to all of the packs that you have in here. So if you click on that sticker and for example you have double of this, then you can actually have the option to click on that specific number and then you will see the option to select friends, and on that you just need to select the friends that you want to send that sticker into. When they log in, they will receive a notification that you have sent them a sticker that you want. So that's the whole process. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Just follow for more if you want this kind of contents that we post on our YouTube channel. So that's goodbye. Thanks.